Alright, quick disclaimer for you guys. The 74-102 and the EAR-10 and probably the Honeywell are probably going to fail. Because all three of them do not have the best signal, but we will see if they go off. Everything else should be fine. It's just those three. Also, if you're wondering what's on right now, it's the 996. And I have all the 996 plugged in. The 993, 991, and 996 are all plugged in. Well, the 993 is on. Unlike last week and the week before. I have the 993 on.
Here are some conditions across
it's,
Pennsylvania at 11 a.m.
Right up there.
Was reported with a temperature of 39 at northeast Philadelphia,
right there.
36 at Pottstown, 37 at Allen Thunderclap.
Well, my suspicion was right. Oh! Wow!
The no-weather radio all-hazards warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
I am shocked. So yeah, the Honeywell did fail, but the 102 went off. Wow.
Weather service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be
yep, 256 went off. Good.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though
the WR400 failed. It's fine. Because I didn't have it on.
Activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas.
It's because I didn't have it on voice. My bad.
Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery,
that's my bad. That wasn't on alert.
New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
That's actually pretty successful.
It was cloudy. The temperature was 41 degrees, the dew point 37 degrees.
Literally everything but the Honeywell went off. Cool.